So, with fast channels absolutely booming, revenues are projected to hit $11 billion by 2030, broadcasters desperately need to simplify their messy setups. But that buzzword, unified, is kind of a trap hiding three completely different operating models. The secret to avoiding future frustration is understanding exactly who runs the system day to day. First, we have the integrated technology platform. You buy a consolidated software suite from one vendor. It unifies the tools, sure, but your team still handles deployment. It's like buying a state-of-the-art kitchen. It's gorgeous, but you still have to do all the cooking and cleanup yourself. Second is DIY cloud assembly. This uses modular cloud blocks, like AWS. It gives you infinite flexibility, but it quietly turns you into the system integrator. Flexibility is great, but are you really prepared for the massive operational risk when two custom-wired services suddenly stop talking at 2 a.m.? Finally, we have the managed platform with one portal. Here, the provider actually runs the infrastructure. iKOSYSTEM and their iKOSYSTEM are a prime example. They unify tech and operations for both satellite and streaming, bundling services like iKOCloud Playout and iKOFast Automation into one secure dashboard, with no extra platform costs for existing customers. It's literally like hiring a private executive chef. You just look at one simple menu, and they handle the actual cooking and the fire hazards. You've got to honestly evaluate your internal engineering headcount before comparing software features. Match the model to the amount of operational weight you actually want to carry, because the right kind of unified platform shouldn't just upgrade your tools, it should shrink your daily stress.